Hi children, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel SRK Math Concepts. In today's class, we will learn trigonometric identities. Take a right angle triangle. B, A, C. This one perpendicular, base, hypotenuse, Pandit Bole Prasad Hara Hara Bolo. Now, sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse, BC by AC, cos A base by hypotenuse, AB by AC, tan A perpendicular by base, BC by AB, BC by AB. This one perpendicular. Now, cosecant A reciprocal of sin AC by BC, secant A reciprocal of cos AC by AB, cot A reciprocal of tan AB by BC. Now, trigonometric identities. See. What is this trigonometric identities means? First one, see, by Pythagoras theorem what you can write? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This will leave like this only. Now, first identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. What to prove? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. In place of A, whatever angle take, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 1. So for this A value, any angle substitute means you get answer 1 only. That proof. Sin. Sin means what? BC square by AC square plus cos square A, AB square by AC square. So LCM is AC square. Numerators what? BC square plus AB square. Same here, BC square plus AB square how much? AC square. That means AC square by AC square is equal to 1. That is first identity. Second identity, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Now onwards any problem came, 1 plus tan square A is there, we can write secant square A. For this proof, take LHS part. 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 plus tan BC square by AB square. BC square by AB square. 1 into AB square, take 1 here, 1 into AB square plus 1 into BC square by AB square. See again, AB square plus BC square how much? AC square. That is equal to AC square by AB square. Now, AC by AB whole square take. Same here, AC by AB means what? AC by AB is equal to secant A. That means this is equal to secant square A. Okay ma, what identity word? 1 plus tan square A is equal to what? Secant square A. Now, third identity. One plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Take LHS. 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 plus cot AB by BC. Square is there, that's why AB square by BC square. So BC square plus AB square by BC square. Same BC square plus AB square means what? AC square. So AC square by BC square. AC square by BC square is equal to what? See, here square means here also square. Cosecant square A. Here what we are getting? Cosecant square A. So children, understand here. First identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Second identity, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Third identity, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. So next exercise problems are depend on these three identities only. These three are main identities. From these three, some more sub identities are there. This you understand means that one easy for you. Okay, that also will check now. Same is all no need. See, main identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. From this you want means sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A you can write. Otherwise cos square A you want, you can write 1 minus sin square A. So these two are sub formulas for this. Again here. One is equal to secant square A minus tan square A. So 1 is there. You want in terms of sin and cos, you can write sin square A plus cos square A. Again 1 is there. You want answer in terms of secant and tan, you can write secant square A minus tan square A. This one again, A square minus B square like have. So A plus B into A minus B is equal to 1. From this again, see, secant A plus tan A is there. Secant A plus tan A is equal to this 2 multiplying here. This term transfer this side means what you will get? 1 by secant A minus tan A. Like that, secant A minus tan A leave here. This you send this side. Secant A minus tan A is equal to 1 by secant A plus tan A. So secant A minus tan A is equal to 1 by secant A plus tan A. This is the another identity. So these two are sub identities for this main identity. Again from here, one is equal to cot square A send that side, cosecant square A minus cot square A. Again A square minus B square, that means cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A. So cosecant A plus cot A leave here. This you send this side means cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 1 by cosecant A minus cot A. Similarly, cosecant A minus cot A is equal to 1 by cosecant A plus cot A. So these all are formulas you have to practice, and the problems, according to problems, which formula need that you should get idea immediately, then only your problem will move faster. For that, more and more practice need. So more you practice means automatically what formula is required, suddenly you can get idea. Okay.